The ATOTO P807PR Carplay stereo kit allows drivers to enjoy wireless CarPlay and Android Auto without the hassle of replacing their car's head unit. Equipped with high-definition dual cameras, this stereo kit offers a clear view with a wide-angle lens and effective light suppression for capturing details like license plates. The included wireless remote and auto-dimming feature enhance driving safety by allowing easy control and automatic brightness adjustment according to ambient light conditions. Its 7-inch QLED touchscreen delivers excellent visibility even in direct sunlight, ensuring that the display remains clear without the need for a glare-reducing hood. Installation is straightforward, and the device is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making it a versatile choice for families who may want to share it among different cars. ATOTO provides a 12-month warranty with the option to extend it by an additional 180 days, showcasing their commitment to customer satisfaction and support.